Hey guys, welcome back to the GFX channel. Today I want to talk to you about a very important subject. That would be your overhaul kits. Overhaul kits is probably the most important part of any rebuild. Why? Because overhaul kits, as you can see, have many parts in there. All of these parts are crucial for transmission performance. Now, who do we trust as far as an overhaul kit company? We trust Precision International. Why do we trust Precision International? Because Precision International has over 50 years experience in building these kits. That's number one. Number two, they are always first to market. Okay, if it has four wheels and it drives, Precision has a kit for it. Why else is Precision a good company? Precision has their own in-house engineers. We don't rely on an outside engineering company. They don't go and copy other people's kits. They test every single part that goes into their kit so that you get the best kit in the market. Not only do you get the best kit in the market, you have also other parts in this kit that don't come in any other kit. So they have little extra bells and whistles that other kits may not include. There's a variety of kits. I mean, if you want GFX to prepare a kit for you with Borg-Warner plates, we got you covered. If you want it with automatic plates, we got you covered. If you want it with GFX plates, we have you covered. Now, are you looking for an overhaul kit? Are you looking for a banner kit? Are you looking for a whole kit with your steels? We have that too. Let's not forget also pistons. You can order your kit with pistons. People, I'm telling you, Precision is the best kit in the market by far. There are other kits there that'll save you some money, but what good is saving money when you don't have quality behind it? So I implore you to get Precision kits. Get it at GFX. We are there for you 100%. Thanks and have a great day.